Hey there, folks. Just a quick mail call here. Got a new kit from Midwest Model Railroad. My lady for Christmas gave me a $50 gift card for Midwest Model Railroad. So finally placed an order and got a kit that I've been wanting. So without further ado, let's check it out. So we went with order this country barn. If you've seen a previous video, I have the New England farmhouse kit that I was planning on doing as my first build, but holding off on it. I'm going to be doing a diorama, and I think this barn will go great with that kit. So now this is the first time I ever ordered a American Model Builders kit. So I had asked on a couple forums and in the Discord if anyone had built kits by these guys, and got a lot of good positive feedback. So they said they make pretty good kits. So we went with this country barn again to go with the farmhouse, and so that's what we got here. Let's see. So we got the instructions here. So yeah, it looks like it's a tab and slot type kit. I only built one other kit with that style, and I believe, what was that one? The Blair Line hardware kit, the one I made dedicated to my grandson Aiden. So Aiden's hardware from Blair Line was tab and slot. Didn't really care for it that much. It's a decent kit. Some fitment issues with the roof, and I seen some videos, build videos of it too, that people had some similar issues like I had, but not a big deal. I mean, that's the fun of building these kits. So one of the things with this kit, from what I read in the description, is these dormers. Those are optional. You can build them with or without that. Haven't decided yet if I'll be doing that, if I'll be using those, but yeah, so the instructions look pretty straightforward. And 4 walls, right? And some windows and a door and stuff, so yeah. So we'll take a look inside the box. Promise this won't be as long as the Heath unboxing. Just kidding, Heath, if you watched the video this far, but yep. Usually I use aftermarket shingles, but these look pretty decent, so I may use these. Haven't decided yet, of course, when we get into the build, but yep, the typical laser kit. One thing I did notice, the doors and windows, well, we'll find out when we get in there, but it looks like the doors and windows are also laser cut and not the typical titchy windows. You know, the plastic windows, this looks like they might just actually be laser cut also. Yeah, see, I can kind of see there. So that's a bonus. I like that. Not against titchy windows, but you know, a lot of the kits have those. And I know I forgot the name of the company, but there is ones you can replace your plastic titchy windows with actual laser cut windows, which I think in the future I'll start doing. Again, everyone uses the plastic ones, so just try to make it look a little different than everyone else's. But, and again, nothing wrong with Titchy. They're a great company. Use them. So, but yeah, country barn to go with the New England farmhouse. Look forward to building this. All right, folks. Till next time, be kind.